When the shelves go empty, the clock starts. Most people are 3 days away from desperation. You're gonna be 3 days away from a harvest. The global supply chain is a fragile thread. When it snaps, the grocery store becomes a graveyard. But for the unit, it's a gold mine. They call it garbage gardening. We call it decentralized logistics. Extending the life of your groceries isn't just frugal, it's survival. Every item you buy has a hidden code, a way to replicate itself. Today, we decode the harvest. Stay focused, stay ready.
Start with the easiest. Green onions, scallions. Keep the white root ends at least 1 inch. Speed is life.
Drop them in a jar of water. In 5 days, you have a full regrowth. Infinite flavor, infinite nutrients, zero footprint. Apply the same protocol to leeks and shallots. Use the rooting base. Water is the catalyst. Soil is the secondary phase.
Potatoes, the heavy hitters. Look for the eyes, those small sprouts. They are the sensors for new life.
Slice them into pieces, ensuring each has an eye. Let them dry for 24 hours to seal the wound before planting. Plant them deep. Whether it's a container or a trench, they need the dark to build your carbohydrate reserves.
Sweet potatoes require a different tactic. Suspend them in water with toothpicks. We are looking for slips, the shoots.
Once those shoots hit 5 inches, break them off. Root them in water, then transfer to the earth. 1 potato becomes 20. Garlic, your natural antibiotic. Take the individual cloves. Pointed end up. This is a long-term deployment.
6 to 9 months in the dirt. 1 clove returns as a full bulb. Secure your health before the pharmacies close.
Ginger and turmeric. These aren't just spices, they are anti-inflammatories. Plant the rhizomes horizontally under 1 inch of soil.
Celery. Cut the base, place it in a shallow bowl. Within 7 days, the heart will beat with new leaves.
Romaine. Treat the 2-inch base like a tactical asset. Water first, soil second. It's a fast cycle calorie source.
Bok Choy follows the same protocol. It's cold hardy. It survives when other crops fail. A unit favorite.
Basil. 4-inch stem cuttings. Strip the lower leaves. Place them in water until the roots hit 2 inches. Mint grows like a weed. Control it in pots. Rosemary? It's a test of will. It can take 2 months to root. Don't quit. Bell peppers. Harvest the mature seeds from the red, orange, and yellow units. Plant them immediately.
Tomatoes. Rinse the seeds, dry them on a cloth. Store-bought hybrids may change, but they will still feed you.
Avocados. Clean the pit. Toothpicks. Bottom inch in water. 6 weeks for a stem. This is legacy gardening.
Lemons and oranges. Plant the seeds directly from the fruit. It takes years to bear, so plant them today.
Pineapple. Twist the leafy green top. Remove the lower leaves to expose the root nodes. Water, then soil.
Carrots and beets. You won't regrow the root, but the leafy tops are nutrient-dense fuel. Waste nothing.
Change the water every 48 hours. Stagnant water is an enemy to your harvest. Keep it clean.
Sunlight is your battery. Windowsills are your charging stations. 6 hours of light minimum. When the roots are strong, the water phase ends. Transition to soil. Use containers if you need to stay mobile.
Hide your assets. Interplant your food with your landscaping. Tactical gardening is about camouflage.
Once you grow your own, you never buy seeds again. This is how you exit the system entirely.
Ask yourself, if the grid goes dark tonight, can you feed your family by next week? Or are you a liability?
A lawn is a desert. A garden is a fortress. Every scrap you plant is a brick in that wall.
Storing food is phase 1. Producing food is phase 2. The infinite harvest is the final objective.
The unit is growing. Report your progress in the comments. Identify your sector and your primary crop. Let's see what you're building.
This is just the beginning. Next briefing, we cover off-grid water. But today,
Today you plant. Today you prepare.
if you stay ready, you won't have to get ready. Stay safe,
stay capable, stay ready, period.